Hey, hey everybody. It is Wednesday or Thursday, depending on your day. We're going to go over our do now. A student conducts an investigation in which he mixes a pale yellow powder into a clear liquid without adding heat. The observations are recorded. So we have pale yellow powder, clear liquid. We have clear liquid, no powder visible, bubbles formed and overflowed, and the liquid's temperature decreased. And we said without adding heat. So which is the best possible explanation? Well, did they chemically react? Well, we have bubbles and we have temperature decreasing, and that's part of our code for those things we need. So I would say no. The powder dissolved into the clear liquid. Well, that's a physical change, but we could have both. The liquid is boiling. Well, it says no heat, and the temperature decreased, so it got, yep, you got it, colder. The gas bubbles are a new substance. Well, usually when we combine things that have a chemical reaction with lots of bubbles, we've probably created carbon dioxide. We just want you to make sure that when you're given a chart, a table, or a picture, that you pay careful attention to what's in it. Now, here are your learning targets today. You will demonstrate your understanding of Unit 8, including counting atoms, balancing equations, the law of conservation of mass, and evidences of chemical reactions. So I can count atoms in specific chemical formulas. I can determine the total number. I can tell you if it's balanced, and it shows mass conserved, which is the same thing, and use evidence to determine if a chemical reaction has occurred. Well, we just did that. So let's take a look here. Why doesn't this one follow the law of conservation of mass? Well, let's start by counting atoms on both sides. I have 4 phosphorus here, and I take the coefficient and multiply it by everybody. So in the case of phosphorus, 4 times 1 is 4. So you know what? Let's draw that out here. Let me add a text box here. Oop, there we go. So I have phosphorus, and on this side, I have 4, and then on this side, I have 4. So that's pretty balanced. Let me check my oxygen, my O. Oops, sorry. Typing's a little wonky today. Oh, I don't know why I did that. All right. Okay. And on this side, I have 10. Okay. And then I look and I count some more. I go, oh, but I got 1 here. So 10 plus 1 equals 11. I can kind of shimmy this back over. There we go. But on this side, I have that coefficient, so I have 4 times 1, or 4 times 4, and that equals 16. So right away, I'm not conserved. But let me run this all the way through just to make sure. On my hydrogen side, I have 2, because that's the only one there. And then I move myself, come on over here. Check on the other side. Well, I have the 4 times 3. So 4 times 3 equals 12. So yes, we're not balanced here. So we did not conserve mass. We did not show that there was any conservation. Oops, sorry, friends. There was any conservation of mass because the equation wasn't balanced. Now in class, we worked on a Kahoot together as a class. We didn't post the link, but here's this just kind of as a review. When you're done with the test, and you're going to go back into your Schoology folder, so I'm going to go right now. You're going to come here into the white Unit 8 Assessments folder, and right there is the test. We need you to take that by Friday of next week, and then you can do things. You're going to work with myself or Ms. Drew or Ms. Stagel to set a goal for yourself in STAR. You're going to make sure your Unit 8 digital notebook is complete, especially the 5 slides here. You're going to check your grades in Schoology. We're in marking period 4, so that's all we can work on. Watch the elephant toothpaste video on the last slide. And work on Study Island. Please make sure you complete that diagnostic on that. And then this is kind of talk about your STAR goal. We're looking at the areas down here, and we want to make sure that anything that has a triangle or that near target half is good. Those are the things we want to concentrate on, and you can concentrate on those in Study Island. Okay, so this is what we're talking about today, and these are the kind of things we're doing. So we will see you all We'll see you all Friday.